about to be on another fishing mission here.
Yeah.
Girl's ready to get it. Are you ready to get it? Can you handle the heat?
I don't think I'll be handling any heat today, actually.
Can you handle that brown meat?
I think I can handle that wet cold.
I mean, if you've ever seen a cheat on a wounded gazelle, that's what's about to happen to the streams here. So we're in attack mode.
Got my pre-workout.
Yeah, she's ready to get
got about an hour in the car, chugging this down.
Yeah.
We should be good to go. Hit the ground running.
Feeling good. We're both looking damn good. You heard it here first, you know? Right? Brought a little Cubano to smoke. Please, ain't no joke. We ain't no joke. No. Ain't nothing, anything but a chicken wing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Do this.
That was hot. That was hot. All right.
So the girl, I put her in the first hole. I'm being extremely gracious compared to my normal self.
I'm rusty dusty today.
She's rusty dusty. She's about to try to get one out of this little run here. Oh, dude, just straight balling on them. No, Renee, keep your fly back there and step out another step. And that way you could get in that main foam line there. Good. Downstream end. And be ready. Get him. Got him, Renee. Nice. Nice. Yep, a lot of young fish. You're good. Good job, Renee.
What the hell? What do you mean? Does a rookie catch a fish on her first cast, pretty much? I don't think so, mister.
Go ahead.
I just met you and I love you. I just met you and I
Let him go.
love you. How about that release? All right, let's catch another one.
Hold on. Get your net back in here, Sally Wagon. Should be something up by this log here. Leonardi. There we go. He's like your little butterball. Can she do it? Can she do it? Oh no. Oh no, she's overfucked.
No.
What do you gotta say to yourself?
No, it's not over. Oh, I think I just made it worse.
Well, Renee's caught in the tree. So we're gonna try to sneak one out from under.
The tree's actually caught on me. I was trying to cast to a fish. Tree goes out, grabs my line.
I think all your commotions stirred him up. Got me real stirred up too.
I'm gonna fall off this rock.
How about this big fish?
Oh!
Ooh, son.
That could have been me.
No way, son. That was perfect. Ooh, daddy-o.
Nice.
That's not a bad fish, right? Look at him go.
Yeah.
Easy. Easy. Chill. Damn, son. He's going to break me off. Yeah, daddy. Oochie.
Oh gosh, that could have been me.
Boom, shakalaka. How about that? What a beauty. Perfect little limestone. Beauty. So we're here now. Had a day of fishing, kinda. Day of hiking.
I just
Mostly.
stuffed so many pepperonis in my mouth.
She just stuffed the pepperoni in her mouth. Looks, it's chicken chili, okay?
I think it looks great even on the GoPro.
It's delicious.
I made it.
Yeah, it's absolutely delicious. Nothing like a nice hot meal ski after a day on the river. Sorry, still
We
caught.
were finding our footing.
Finding our footing. Still caught quite a few fish. It was cool.
Yeah.
Hoping a little rain tonight, a little drizzle, drazzle, maybe a little better tomorrow, you know? We'll see you tomorrow morning. We got a lot of festivities to do tonight. Day 2, got a little earlier start today, but not a good night's sleep, that's for sure.
Great dinner, not a great night's sleep. It was, personally, did you ever get a pancake stuck on a frying pan? You couldn't flip it, and it's just stuck on there? That's what it was like for me getting up this morning. Not Jesse, though. Jesse flipped it right over.
Anyway, we got a little rain last night. It definitely murked up the water here on the limestones. It murked up the water, so maybe some brighter stuff today, and hopefully, you know, flows aren't up too drastically, maybe 30 CFS, but thinking the color could maybe help us out and get us closer to the fish, and hopefully it's going to be active. We're going to get some, you know, close-up nymphing shots and footage of ripping some wild brownies out.
Someone baking brownies? I smell brownies.
You're slick,
Must
dude.
be from the river.
Chill! Give me a little chicken call.
Not yet.
All right. Anyway, over and out. Ready for today, day 2 of the Shred Fest. Cha-cha! Good. Come on, fish. Come on, trout. There she is. The girl right there. The boss. Just a little bit. Let's see if we can't picky-pocky one out of here. Picky-pocky, ticky-tocky. Fishing pretty shallow still. Oh. Come on. There he is. Had one, Renee. Try to get one right in. There he is. Hey. Don't be like that. Beautiful fish. Bam! Alright, getting our ass kicked on day 2. Caught a few little fish, but working hard for them. The stain in the water is not helping like we thought it would. No,
I don't know. I'm feeling pretty hopeful.
I am too. I mean, just so far.
I've seen some activity right here. We've been close.
Close, but no cigar.
No cigar.
I've caught 4 little ones so far. We're just gonna keep working up, keep shredding, see what happens.
Start chucking Krabby Patties.
Start chucking Krabby Patties, baby.
And that will be the name of my meal. The Krabby Patty.
Hell yeah. Alright. Keep on working. GoPro. Wait, ooh. Ooh, did you hear that?
Hear what?
The trout coming, baby.
No, I missed it.
Excuse me, I gotta bang Johnson one real quick. Got him. Ooh, nicer fish. Pretty thing. Oh, you just mind your own business up there. Mind your own business. Spots on spots. Got him. Ooh. Young guy. I just see a little bit of depth in here. We're gonna try. Trying to keep my distance from this pocket, right? location or just timing, the fishing is picking up more and more, so it's good. It's about noon now, almost noon, and the last 30-40 minutes caught quite a few fish, several fish, so it's good. See if we can get another. All right, so we got a little bit of depth here, and just enough speed. I like it. I like it. It ain't quite that fast, but fast enough. Fast enough for Brown Trout Johnson, baby. Boom! Shot one, fired. Got him. How beautiful of a fish is that? The old bearded wonder, here she is. God, it looks like you have the gnarliest beard.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see in your glasses. Oh my God, you gotta take a picture of that.
I will.
Please.
I will. How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm not doing too good, fishing-wise.
Oh, all right. Something else right here. Okay, don't break your fingers. Day 2 in the books. It was a good day.
It was good.
It was a good day.
Always a good day.
Caught quite a few fish, close to 20 fish, but Renee caught a couple fish, but all of them were pretty small. Nothing like probably over 12 inches, I wouldn't even say. Yesterday we caught some in the 14-inch range or so, but today all babies. Didn't really see many big fish either.
No.
So, what's up?
Nothing.
Looks like you got something to say.
Yeah, I like them.
I think she wants a drink.
I need a drink after the ass whooping I got today. Nothing over 12? Try nothing over 5 for me.
Well, cheers to that. But yeah, it was a tough day, windy, colder. Tomorrow we're gonna try for half the day, maybe go somewhere different, see what happens, and stay away from the chicks. But we'll see. We shall see what tomorrow brings. Time to heat up a dinner, shower, eat up the dinner.
What's the dinner?
I mean, basically, you know, how could you start the day, a successful fishing day, without a little bacon, turkey bacon, a little caffy, a little French pea, a little French presser, a little turkey bacon, ready to go. 6 in the morning, about to head out. Ooh, how about that? Yep. Little guy. Cool. Little pocket there. Fucking A, man. Ooh. Well, pretty much out here getting our ass kicked, right? Caught a couple little babies. Little tiny brook trout and brown trout. Water's very low. I mean, it's crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
So we're just decided to take a little smoke break.
We took a little smoke break. I took a little fall earlier.
Yeah, Renee took a fall. Broke her elbow.
We're still out here getting it.
Still grinding though, still trying. You know, but it's a struggle. There's
Her
no
right
doubt.
elbow too. It's her casting.
Yeah, unfortunately it's her casting elbow. But we're not gonna give up.
No, we're not
We
giving
don't
up.
quit.
We don't quit.
We don't quit. Quitters
don't
quit. We're not
quit.
quitters. And yeah, we're gonna fish maybe another hour, hike back. We got a couple hours worth of a drive. So we'll give it a few more pockets a shot. But I mean, basically there's no fish in here.
No, there's definitely fish in here.
What
We're
are you
just not hitting the sweet spot. I was about to hit the sweet spot and then I had a little hiccup.
AK pine tree. We saved the tree though, that's good.
No trees were harmed in the untangling of this snag.
Good, leave that there. Are you ready? Next one, you want to be over to the right a little bit, okay? Man to the right, just a little. Good, let it go. Set. Little shorter cast, Man, oop, let it go. All right, it's a wrap. Put in a few hours this morning. Final day. Water was very low, clear, pretty tough fishing. I only caught a couple fish. Renee caught a couple fish, really small brookies and little browns. I caught one decent brown, maybe 12, 13 inches, but it was
You smell like cigars and olives.
cigars and olives, the girl says. Cigars and olives. That's about what we did today, cigars and olives. But on a year where maybe we get some more rainfall, we will definitely be back. Still a beautiful place, beautiful area. Really pretty stream too, just like I said, a little bit low. Tough. Tough. Gotta be real sneaky and sly like a fox.
I'm sneaky like a snake.
Like a snake, sneaky like a snake.
Sneaky like a snake.
You gotta be so sneaky, but the trout will just get a little bit beaky.
So sneaky, the trout was squeaky.
So if you do not be real sneaky, the trout will freaky.
That's good.
They will freak you
That's
out.
the ticket.
Be sneaky or trout freaky. Saw many trout, but they just could not get them. Some beach trout just could not get them.
Keep going.
Turning around, sickening. Anyway, we're out of here.
Okay.
End of the day, last day, time to make a video. Alright, oh yeah, hold on, sorry. We're gonna head out of here. Okay, alright, we're gonna head out of here.
I love our outro.
Go.